If you want keyless convenience and tighter home security, this video breaks down your options. We compare lock types, access methods, connection protocols, battery life, auto lock accuracy, and emergency fail-safes to surface the best smart door locks for apartments and houses. You'll learn what matters for renters, Airbnbs, and families, plus installation compatibility, door thickness, and retrofit choices, so you can choose a reliable lock that balances security, convenience, and price. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Veise RZ07 Smart Door Lock. If you want flexible, key-free access with clear control over who comes and goes, the Veise RZ07 gives you 7 ways in: fingerprint, app, web portal, keypad code, fob, e-key sharing, and a mechanical key for backup. You decide how you unlock day to day, and you can mix methods for family, guests, or staff. You manage everything from your phone or a browser, free app and web portal included. Create and revoke access in seconds. Generate one-time, scheduled, recurring, or permanent codes, and review event history for accountability. With capacity for up to 50 fingerprints and 250 plus user codes, you can segment access for house sitters, cleaners, tenants, or office teammates. Add the optional G2 gateway to enable full remote control and voice integrations with Alexa and Google. Security features work quietly in the background. Auto lock secures the door after entry, one-touch locking speeds exit, and privacy mode disables outside credentials when you want no interruptions. Passage mode keeps the door unlocked during gatherings or business hours. The touchscreen keypad is anti-peep and anti-tamper, and low battery alerts help you stay ahead of maintenance. If you want a smart lock that combines multiple unlock options, robust user management, and practical safety features, the RZ07 delivers streamlined access for homes, apartments, rentals, and small offices on your terms with the control and visibility you need. At number 4, Eufy Security C220 Smart Door Lock. If you want a smart deadbolt that's easy to trust day after day, the Eufy Security C220 focuses on long life, fast entry, and simple control. You get up to around 8 months of power from 8 AA batteries, so you're not constantly swapping cells. The aluminum build feels solid and clean on your door, with a straightforward deadbolt design. You'll get in quickly and your way. The self-learning AI fingerprint reader becomes more accurate with each use and unlocks in under 1.5 seconds. Prefer something else? Use the Eufy Security app, the backlit keypad, a physical key, your Apple Watch, or voice control with Alexa or Google Assistant. Handy when you're carrying bags or out for a run without keys. With built-in Wi-Fi, you control access from anywhere. No bridge required. In the app, you can lock and unlock remotely, create and manage users, see real-time notifications, and review an event history so you always know who came and when. If you already use Eufy gear, add the lock to routines with a Eufy doorbell for coordinated keyless entry inside one app. If you want dependable battery life, fast and accurate fingerprint unlock, and full remote management without extra hubs, the C220 delivers everyday convenience and peace of mind in a durable, modern package. Number 3, we have the ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro Smart Door Lock. If you want a tough, key-free deadbolt you can manage from anywhere, the ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro puts you in control. Built-in Wi-Fi connects directly to your home network, no hub needed, so you can lock-unlock, share access, and view an activity log in the UHome app wherever you are. You choose how to get in: 360-degree AI fingerprint ID for instant recognition, secure keypad passcodes, your smartphone, or auto unlock as you arrive. For family members, guests, sitters, or short-term rentals, send time-limited e-keys or codes remotely and revoke them anytime. You'll get alerts if the door is unlocked or left open, and the integrated door sensor enables smart auto lock as soon as the door closes. Extra peace of mind without extra steps, it fits into your smart home smoothly. Pair with Amazon Alexa, Google Home, SmartThings, or if this then that to check status, lock by voice, and build automations that match your routine, like turning on lights or arming security when the door locks. Security and durability are built in. The U-Bolt Pro is proven up to 35 times stronger than standard residential locks with a 7 times longer lifespan, and its IP65 rated exterior stands up to dust, heat, cold, and rain. If you want flexible access, clear visibility into who comes and goes, and a weather-ready lock you can control from your phone, the U-Bolt Pro delivers secure convenience for families, rentals, and home offices alike. At number 2, Yale Security Assure Lock 2 Smart Door Lock. If you want key-free entry that adapts to your routine, the Yale Assure Lock 2 gives you flexible, reliable control of your front door. You can unlock your way, tap the backlit keypad, use auto unlock as you arrive, ask a voice assistant, or manage everything from the Yale Access app on your phone or Apple Watch. Built-in Wi-Fi keeps you connected without a separate hub, so you can check status, lock up, or let someone in from anywhere. You'll stop second-guessing whether the door is locked. Enable auto lock, and once DoorSense confirms the door is closed, the deadbolt secures itself. In the app, you create and share passcodes for family, sitters, or guests, set schedules, and get real-time notifications and activity history for clarity about who came and when. A battery indicator helps you plan ahead, and passcode unlock means you're never stuck searching for keys. Installation is straightforward. You replace your existing deadbolt on most standard United States doors with just a screwdriver. No wiring or locksmith required. Once mounted, setup in the app walks you through pairing, adding users, and customizing auto lock and alerts so the lock works the way you do. If you want a smart deadbolt that blends easy access, strong convenience features, and simple DIY install, Assure Lock 2 delivers everyday peace of mind, keyless entry for you, controlled access for others, and confidence that your door is locked when it matters. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Schlage Encode Smart Door Lock. If you want simple, secure control of your front door from anywhere, the Schlage Encode makes it easy. With built-in Wi-Fi, you connect directly, no hub required, and use the Schlage Home app to lock, unlock, check status, and review a detailed history when you're away. You can create and manage up to 100 unique access codes, perfect for family, guests, sitters, or contractors. Then set schedules and notifications so you always know who came and when. You'll get hands-free convenience too. Pair with Alexa or Google Home for voice control and quick lock status checks. Security features are baked in: an encrypted connection, a fingerprint-resistant touchscreen keypad, and a built-in customizable alarm that detects door movement or forced entry attempts. It's also certified by BHMA with the highest residential ratings for security, durability, and finish, so it's built to take daily use and weather in stride. Installation is straightforward. You'll mount it in minutes with a screwdriver. No hard wiring. The snap-and-stay design holds the lock on the door while you secure it, keeping both hands free. It fits standard doors 1 3/8 inch to 1 3/4 inch thick with either a 2 3/8 inches or 2 3/4 inch back set. If you want keyless entry, robust app control, voice compatibility, and pro-grade security in a lock you can install yourself, the Encode brings trusted protection and everyday convenience together at your door. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which smart door lock you're considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.